All right, we're back with another $100 in. See what it do. Let's try a few spins at 880 and see what it do. Ooh, that would have been nice. Green, green. Oh, we could have had green all the way through. Are you coming out? No. It doesn't look like this machine is filling 880. So we're going to go back to our 440. Purple. Come on, 3 more. Come on. Oh, I tried to stop him. Jeez. I was hoping he brought something out for me. Come on now. Don't start being ugly. Come on now. You gotta give us something. Purple, purple. Ooh, he was right there. 18 times 8? Look at you. That's okay. They all changed. Hey, $15. Blue, blue, blue. Oh, you could have filled it up. You coming out? Oh, look, hubby over here winning. All his signs changed. See, this is what happens when they change outside of the bonus. Everything changed. So he has that times 2, which is, let's see, what is it? 18 times 8. Okay, hubby. Come on, we need to fill the screen up with red. Ooh, that was, look at it, it was 324. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Come on now, give us something. Hey, Kings. Thank you, $5. Do something, keep us alive over here. Oh, this is ugly. Changed again? Oh, you got nothing in the middle. Oh, look at this. I missed it. 3 more, 3 more. I let them go by. I think I could have stopped them. Oh, we out. Okay. Let's see what we're going to do now. We ain't finna give you our change back. We'll get off you before we give it to you. Red. Oh. Sure. Come on, red, red. Ooh. You man ugly. Come on now, give us something. Whatever. Is what you doing to us? Come on, we need you up out of there. Purple. Okay, you're gonna make me start stopping you. 4 more, 4 more. I think it's time to get off this one. What y'all think? I think so. Come on now. Give me what you got. Give me what you got. Purple, purple. Ooh. Come on. Oh, this is ugly. Go. Ooh. I should have stopped that. Tried to at least. Oh, this is ugly. You're being very ugly. Why are you being so rude to me right now? Oh, so you deciding to be nasty. Do we want to put another one in there? Okay, we'll put one more in there, and then we're gonna move around because they've been and got all their money back. Because this would be 300 of the 4 that we took out. Give us a screen full of something. Come on now. Stop being ugly. You was right there and then come down. Look at how rude it's been. Oh, I'm sorry. One more. Hey, King, thank you $5, but I can't do nothing with that. So you can get these. Come on. Give us something. Oh, that would have been nice. Thank you. Go, go. Oh, I should have tried to stop that bird. Come on now. I ate that little money up. I won. I ate it all up. Come on, gold. We need some gold birds. Being ugly. Come on, give us something. You being ugly. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, I should have tried to stop it. He being so ugly. Come on now. Jeez. What do we do? We'll try one more. Then we will move around and go play something else. All right. Come on now. Purple. No? Come on, give us something. Hey, Queen. You ain't making no noise, no nothing. You super quiet. Is the machine? No, it's on. It's just quiet. Jeez. I'm wondering, did something go wrong with the sound? It was so quiet. Let's see what we gonna get. Get something. Nope. Well, this is quite ugly. Got some aces. Let's see. Well, that's nothing. Red, red, red. Give us, shoot. I'm sorry. Give us something. Are they in the bonus? Can we? Oh, we can't play. They just don't want to play with us no more. They got so quiet. Thought the machine was broke. It got so quiet. Look at this. And 2 more. You could have gave us 2 more. Green, green, green. Shoot. We got us something. $9 times 16. We on 264. I just realized I lowered the bet. But we'll take that $144. We will take it. Now let's go back to the $4. See if we get something. Ooh, those would have been nice numbers. We needed 3 more. 3? Oh, I thought we was gonna get credit. Come on. Wake up. Purple. Ooh, almost. Come on now. I don't know what's going on with this machine and why it got so quick. 3 more, 3 more, 3 more. You could have gave it to us. 3 more. Come on. There we go. We back in it. Let's see if we make it somewhere, okay? We back in the holding man. Oh, gotta land on something now. Uh-oh. Oh, I had me scared for a moment, okay? I guess you gonna land on something? All right. We need big numbers. Come on now. Oh. Oh, well, that was ugly. Wow. $37. We got $37 in a bonus. How embarrassing. How embarrassing. Come on now. You got to give us something. Hey, Queen. We need some moolah out of here. Ooh. Come on. Give us something. Red, red, red. Oh, you could have put a red one there. Okay. Look at you re-triggering. Now, you being ugly, machine. Stop being ugly. And come on, give us some of the fun. Oh, almost. Oh, I thought you said something. Now look at that. Come on, give us what you got. We know you got something. Give it to us. Pay $15. We know you got some money in you. You just got to give it to us. Hey, Queen. Purple, purple, purple. Wow, what? You purple. We needed one more purple. Hey, $30. Oh. Come on. Blue. Oh, that's a good one. 27 times 8. Look at you. Look. Look at the hubby. 27 times 8. Purple. Yes. We'll take that 15 times 4. Thank you, $60. 3 more. Come on. We need this bonus. Come on. Come on. Oh, almost. Blue, blue, blue. Oh, they keep giving us one shot. Not bad. Dang it. Come on, 4 more, 4 more. Oh. Purple, purple, purple. Thank you. We'll take that 15 times 4. Hey, $60. Come on, blue. Almost. We need one good. Come on, 4 more, 4 more. Now don't start being ugly. 4 more, 4 more. Oh, that don't go with nothing. 4 more, come on. We trying to get this bonus. Blue. Ooh, they went right by us. Y'all saw that. Come on, give us some love. Purple. Oh. Give us some love. Okay, you being ugly now. Are you coming out? Can we have the game? I would like the game. I would like the game, not the pick. Oh, it's giving us pick. We know we're gonna get that. We know we're gonna get that $30 penny. So. Oh, we got less than the mini, y'all. We got $29. We got less than the mini. How is that even possible? That is horrible. How is that? The minor is the bigger one. How is the mini? Yeah. Come on here. All that noise. Wow. Four more. Come on. We need a bonus. A good bonus. Come on. That would have been a good one. Purple. Come on, give us a bonus. Oh, I'm sorry. My arm shaking got me all to the side. 3 more. Come on. All right. We in there. We keep getting the bonus, but look at these little bitty numbers it's giving us. All right. Maybe we get something. Come on. Give us something good. Okay. Well, that was quick. Took us to the next round. That was quick. Let's turn it up just a little bit so we can hear. All right. Come on. All right. We in now. We in now. We staying alive. Uh-oh. Is that 4? Wow. Come on. Give us something. Keep us alive. Oh, don't do us like this. Now, come on. Okay. Got me sweating. All right. We in now. All right. Eat it up. All right. Thank you. Okay, we got $76. Come on, big numbers. Come on, big numbers. Come on. Okay. Don't do us like this. Come on, big numbers. Thank you. We on to the next round. Hey, Blue. Come on, big numbers. Keep us in there. All right. Thank you. Come on, big numbers. Come on, big numbers. Thank you. We need some big numbers. All right, we on to the next round. Thank you. We made it to the red. See what we can get, y'all. Come on, big numbers. Land us something amazing. Yes. Ooh, look at that. 88. Yes. Come on, give us some more big numbers. Come on. Keep us alive. Don't do that to us. Save our life. You didn't save our life. You sent us on our way. But that's okay. We're going to take it. Thank you. Bow. Boom. Ding. We'll take it. Look at you over there. We got our money back, y'all. We got our money back. Let's see what we gonna do. We got our money back. Can we get it again? Oh, I thought it was gonna get. Are you coming out? Oh, you're just building the steps. Okay. Oh, that would have been nice. Oh, jeez, that would have been nice. One more. Red. Oh, almost. Come on, fill it up, fill it up. I didn't know whether to ask for the blue or the green. But we're going to take that $5. Hey, ladies. Ooh. Oh, don't do us like that. Come on. Come on. You coming out? No, you're not. Okay. Oh, he's coming out. He's doing it again. I think he's coming out. He's coming out. Can we have the game? Can we have the game? No. So we finna win that $31, y'all. Or that grand. I mean, we'll take the grand. Grand. Oh, what how we win less? How we win less than the mini, y'all? We win less than the mini again. That's crazy. Come on. All I know is for $25. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, almost. Red. Give us something good. 3 more. Oh, almost. Gold. Oh, that would have been nice. All right, we're going to take this out one more time.